Okay, welcome, and in this video we're going to go through the steps of identifying for the percentage formula. Okay, so we need what three things we need to know. We need to know what the portion is, the base, and the rate. And once we know which is which in the problem, if it's a word problem, then we can stick them in the formula. So this is really key to solving these types of problems. So you got to be able to pick out the base, the portion, and the rate of the problem. And once you do that, then you just plug it in and chug away and get the answer. Okay, so how do we do that? So one, identify the rate. The rate is usually given as a percentage. Okay, it could be a percentage, it could be a decimal, or a fraction. Okay, so it's usually given in one of those three forms. Okay, so once you identify the rate, that's going to be key. Okay, that's going to be one of the three items. Identify the base. Now the base, again, depending on how it's worded, the base refers to either the total amount, right? So it'd be total amount, the original, right? So total amount, original amount. What else could it mean? The entire amount, right? So just different wordings for the same thing. Also, it usually follows the preposition of. Okay? So usually follows the preposition of in a sentence in the problem. Okay? Now what about the portion? The portion, okay, so this has many different wordings. It could refer to a part of something, right? A partial, right? Partial amount. Okay? It could also talk about amount of increase or decrease. Try that again. Okay, so amount of increase and decrease, or amount of change, right? So it could be the amount of change. Okay. Now, typically, it follows some form of the word is, or the verb is. Okay. So because it's a portion of the base. So remember, it's a portion of the base. Usually follows some form of the verb is. So it could be are, right? Are is, some form of the verb is. Okay, was. And that's it. So follow these three, and once you do it, once you're able to pick it out, then it's plug and chug. So you just drop it into the formula. So now we'll do some examples, and I'll see you next time.